Assalamualaikum and good morning to Sir Muhammad Asidik. My name is Sabah Salam binti Muhammad Afian and my matrix number is 01DT21F1143. So today, we are going to present for practical exercise 1 for enterprise network. So for this practical exercise, we have been assigned to build the network and configure the syslog and NTP. So the first one is to sketch and build the network. This is the topology. There are 3 routers, 2 switches, 2 servers and 1 PC. And this is the routing table. We use 10.0.10.0/30 for this network. And here 192.168.10.0/24. Next, configure and display the basic configuration. So first step, at router R1, we need to change the host name. So enter the command host name R1, and then to configure the device, enter interface S0/1/0 and enter the IP address 10.0.10.1 255.255.255.252 for the subnet mask, and then enter no share. Then for interface S0/1/1, the IP address is 10.0.20.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.252 and then no share. And to create the password, enter the command line console 0 and then password. We enter the password Cisco and then enter login. And then for syslog configuration, enter login synchronous and then enter the command line vty0.04 password Cisco, enter login. And then for the banner MOTD, enter hashtag and then enter the message which is unauthorized access is strictly prohibited, and then enter the hashtag again. Next, for R2, now shut the device again. So at interface S0/1/0, enter the IP address 10.0.10.2. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.252, same as the interface S0/1/1, and then enter no share. For interface G00, the IP address is 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then enter no IP domain lookup, and to create the password, enable secret Cisco, line console 0, password Cisco and then enter login. Then enter line VTY04, password Cisco and then enter login. And then enter service password encryption and the banner MOTD, enter the word authorized users only. At R3, no shut the device again. The IP address is 192.168.20.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. For interface S0/1/1, the IP address is 10.0.20.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252 for /30. And then same as the interface S0/1/0, and now you can see all the interfaces has changed state to up. Next, I will pass to Grace to continue.
Thank you, Sabahas, and my name is Grace Fasovai. My number matrix is 01DDT21F1052. So I will continue the part 3, configure and displays the syslog with NTP. So When we configure the syslog, we start with the R1 and we type the command service timestamps log date time MSEC and login host of the IP address of the syslog server. And we continue the command with service timestamps log date time MSEC. And after that, we're going to the R3 and we type the same command as the R1 service timestamps log date time MSEC and also the command login host 192.168.10.5, that is the syslog server IP. And for the NTP, must make sure have the NTP master and NTP client. So this is what we do in R1. We type the command NTP server is the 192.168.10.6, and we also type the command NTP update dash calendar, so they can always update when we restart the device. So for the part 4, display the connection between the device. So this is the syslog server IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway and DNS server. So we type the IP address for the syslog server is 192.168.10.5 and the subnet mask is /24. And for the default gateway, we put 192.168.10 and point 1. So this is the NTP server is 192.168.10.6 and the subnet mask is 24. The default gateway is 192.168.10.1. So this is the PC2 IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. So there are different between the syslog and NTP server. So for the PC2 is 192.168.20.5 and subnet mask is 24. The default gateway is 192.168.20.1. And this is the result when we ping from the syslog to PC2 and NTP server to PC2, PC2 to NTP server, and PC2 and to syslog server, and all is successful ping. So this is the result from the syslog when we trying to ping from the syslog to PC or PC to server. So this is the time that showed at here when we doing a pinging, and the hostname is 10.0.10.1, and this is the message. Oh, okay, I think we have finished our presentation. So thank you for watching our video.
Thank you.